Welcome to our YouTube channel. Are you interested in maintaining your privacy while using TikTok's messaging feature? In this video, we'll provide you with a step-by-step guide on how to hide that you've read a message in TikTok. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your device. Step 2. Tap on the profile icon located in the bottom drawer. This will take you to your TikTok profile. Step 3. In the top right corner, you'll see 3 stacked lines. Tap on those lines to access the TikTok menu. Step 4. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. Step 5. Within the Settings and Privacy section, tap on Privacy. Step 6. Scroll down until you find the Interactions category and tap on Messaging. Step 7. Here, disable the Read Status option. This will prevent others from seeing whether you've read their messages in TikTok. By following these simple steps, you can maintain your privacy and control over your messaging experience on TikTok. Keep your message reading activity hidden from others. We hope you find this guide helpful in managing your TikTok messaging settings. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more TikTok tutorials and guides. Thank you for watching, and enjoy a private messaging experience on TikTok